Just as keyboards continue to win over gamers and typists for their responsiveness and durability, VR headsets are revolutionizing how we experience entertainment, gaming, and education. This guide evaluates the best VR headsets based on visual fidelity, processing power, content access, comfort, and value. So whether you're a beginner, a casual gamer, or a VR power user, you can find the right device to elevate your virtual experience. Listen up. Meta Quest 2 Advanced All-in-One Virtual Reality Headset, 256 gigabytes. The Meta Quest 2 256 gigabytes is a top pick for anyone seeking a high-capacity, all-in-one VR headset that's wireless, powerful, and versatile. With 256 gigabytes of storage, you get ample space for a wide range of games, apps, and VR experiences. The headset features a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and a high-resolution display, providing crisp visuals and smooth performance. Meta Quest 2 Advanced All-in-One Virtual Reality Headset, 128 gigabyte. The Meta Quest 2 128 gigabyte offers the same performance and core features as the 256 gigabyte model, but with half the storage at a more affordable price point. Ideal for casual or first-time users. It's perfect if you plan to install only a handful of games or apps at a time. You still get the powerful Snapdragon XR2 processor, responsive motion tracking, and access to the same expansive library of Meta Quest titles. List 3. Meta Quest 3S, 256 gigabytes. Batman, Arkham Shadow included, plus 30+ games via Horizon Plus. The Meta Quest 3S, 256 gigabytes, is a leap forward in power, clarity, and content. With upgraded optics, better lenses, and enhanced spatial computing, this headset offers a next-gen experience. The bundle includes the highly anticipated Batman Arkham Shadow, plus 30+ games through Meta Horizon Plus, adding immense value for gamers. You get all the standalone power of Meta's line with improved mixed reality capabilities. List more. Meta Quest Pro headset with virtual reality field trips, 1-month subscription, aimed at professionals and creatives. The Meta Quest Pro is Meta's most advanced VR headset to date. Designed for productivity, creativity, and mixed reality. It includes cutting-edge features like eye tracking, facial expression capture, and color pass-through for MR applications. The VR Field Trips subscription makes it especially appealing for educators or learners looking to explore history, science. List 5. PlayStation VR 2, PSVR 2. For PlayStation 5 owners, the PlayStation VR 2, PSVR 2 is the definitive choice for console-based virtual reality. It features 4K HDR visuals, foveated rendering, and a 120Hz refresh rate for stunning performance. The Sense controllers bring immersive haptics and adaptive triggers to the VR world, enhancing gameplay in titles like Horizon Call of the Mountain. It requires a PS5 and a wired connection, but the setup is sleek and performance-focused.